this tutorial you will learn how to fix lag, high ping and connectivity issues in Strinova on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your control panel. Open Network and Internet. Open Network and Sharing Center. Double-click your connection. Open Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Select Use the following DNS server addresses in preferred server type 8888. In alternate server type 8844. Press OK. If 8888 didn't work, then type 1111.
Click on the Start button, then open Settings. Go to the Network section. Look for Advanced Network Settings. Go down to Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall your network adapters and set all your network components back to their original settings. Press the button to reset your network. Press Yes. Restart your PC to apply the changes.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Proxy. Disable Automatically Detect Settings.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.